Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Maya here. Hope you have been well. Today is a new week, a new video. We are going to be doing a cleaning video. We're going to be cleaning fridge, and I'm going to show you how I do mine. So this is the situation at hand. I've been trying to finish these leftover foods, but we'll just work with it like that because it's so dirty. You can see, and the freezer is still full. It's almost full. So we are first of all going to remove everything, clean these things. They are so dirty. We're going to be cleaning everything first, and then we clean the fridge. So this is everything, all the cereals, and this is the water we are going to use. It's still warm. We are going to be adding white vinegar and baking soda. So let me do that, then you're going to see me cleaning. This is everything from the fridge. We're going to be washing. So this is the outcome. I've put everything there apart from the meat. Down here we have some leftover food, some groceries, some eggs, and some milk for drinking. We don't put all the milk here. This is for drinking, and some eggs and some cereals. So we are going to clean the freezer another day, where we put the meats and the ice creams and the rest of the cereals. Yeah, so let's go to the next fridge. So this is the other fridge, a small one. It's like a snack bar. It is in the sitting room. We only put sodas and snacks and fruits so that the visitors can reach them easily. Outcome: some sodas. Stony is over, but I am the only one who takes Stony in this house. So these are oranges and tangerines. We keep yogurts here. I know it is a place meant for eggs, but this is the sitting room fridge, so we can't put eggs here. We have apples, green and red, some tangerines, mangoes, and sodas. We are going to do a restock video soon. So that is all, and we are done.